I am Saraswati V. Patil, Assistant Professor of Economics, Government First Grade College, Shiggaon. This is the Karnataka University Dharwad syllabus, BCom first semester, first module, that is the Unit First Introduction, Basic Concept of Business Economics. In the previous class, we have studied the Introduction to Business Economics and its meaning. We have discussed the about the introduction. Business economics is a field of applied economics that studies the financial, organizational, market related, and environmental issues faced by corporations. Business economics encompasses subjects such as the concept of scarcity, product factors, distribution, and consumption. Meaning of basic concept of business economics. At the most basic level, economics attempts to explain how and why we make the purchasing choices we do. Four keys economic concept: scarcity, supply and demand, cost and benefit, and incentives can help explain many decisions that humans make. Some of the basic concept of economics: utility, scarcity, transferability, forms of wealth, individual wealth, social wealth, national or real wealth, international wealth, stocks and flows, optimization, supply and demand. Let us discuss by one. First one, that is the utility. It should have utility. A rotten egg has no utility because it cannot be exchanged for anything. It possesses no value in exchange. Second one, that is the scarcity. Mere utility does not create value unless it is scarce. A good or service is a scarce. It means limited in relation to its demand. All economics goods like pen, book, etc. are scarce and have value, but free goods like air do not possess value. Thus, goods processing the quality of scarcity have value. Transferability. Besides the above two characteristics, should be transferable from one place to another or from one person to another. Thus, a commodity to have value in exchange must possess the qualities of utility, scarcity, and transferability. Basic concept of economics: value and price. In common language, the terms value and price are used as a synonymous, that is the same. But in economics, the meaning of price is different from that of value. Price is a value expressed in terms of money. Value is expressed in terms of other goods. If one pen is equal to two pencils and one pen can be had for rupees 10, then the price of one pen is rupees 10 and price of the one pencil is rupees 5. Value is a relative concept in comparison to the concept of a price. It means that there cannot be a general rise or fall in values, but there can be a general rise or fall in prices. Suppose one pen equal to two pencils. If the value of a pen increases, it means that one pen can buy more pencils in exchange. let it be 1 pencil equal to 4 pencils. It means that the value of pencils has fallen. So when the value of one commodity rises, that of the other good in exchange falls. Thus, there cannot be a general rise or fall in values. On the other hand, when price of goods start rising or falling, they rise or fall together. It is another thing that price of some goods may rise or fall slowly or swiftly than others. Thus, there can be general rise or fall in prices. Next one concept, that is the wealth. In common use, the term wealth means money, property, gold, etc. But in economics, it is used to describe all things that have value. For a commodity to be called wealth, it must possess utility, scarcity, and transferability. If it lack even one quality, it cannot be termed as wealth. Forms of wealth. Wealth may be of the following types. First one, that is the individual wealth. Wealth owned by an individual is called private or individual wealth, such as a car, house, company, etc. Social wealth. Goods which are owned by the scarcity are called social or collective wealth, such as schools, colleges, roads, canals, mines, forests, etc. National or real wealth. National wealth includes all individual and social wealth. It consists of material asset possessed by the society. National wealth is a real wealth. Another one, international wealth. The United Nations Organization and its various agencies like the World Bank, IMF, World Health Organization, etc. are international wealth because all countries contribute towards their operations. Another one is the financial health. Financial wealth is the holding of money, stocks, bonds, etc. by individuals in the society. Financial wealth is excluded from national wealth. This is because money, stocks, bonds, etc., which individuals holds as a wealth are claims against one another. Distinction may be made here between stock variable and flow variable. Stock variable has no time dimension. Its value is ascertained at some point in a time. A stock variable does not involve the specification of any particular length of a time. On the other hand, a flow variable has a time dimension. It is related to a specified period of a time. So, national income is a flow and national wealth is a stock. Change in any variable which can be measured over a period of a time related to flow optimization. Optimization means the most efficient use of resources subject to certain constraints. It is the choice from all possible users of resource which gives the best result. It is task of maximization or minimization of an objective function. It is a technique which is used by a consumer and a producer as a decision maker. A consumer wants to buy the best combination of a consumer good when his objective function is to maximize his utility given his fixed income as the constraints. Similarly, a producer wants to produce the most suitable level of output to maximize his profit given the raw materials, capital, etc. as constraints. Conclude this part. The central concept in basic concept of economics are trade-offs. There's no such things as a free lunch. Supply and demand. If you build it, they still might not come. Scarcity. Almost everything is limited. Ordinarily, the concept of value is related to the concept of utility. Utility is wants to satisfying quality of a thing when we use or consume it. Thus, utility is a value in use of a commodity. For instance, water quenches or thirst. When we use water to quench our thirst, it is the value in use of water. These are the reference of this concept. Financial economics or business economics. Kulkarni and Kalkundrikar, Solapur, Reddy and etc. Thank you everyone.